Alright, it has been a while since I did my last stream, so thinking of getting back into streaming development in order to keep me in check, in order to let me meet deadlines. This project that I'm working on is a very simple one-button shooting game called TrainTop Mania, and I've pretty much got the game up and running. It's pretty much more or less done, right? With the exception of this weird progress bar, so please ignore that. So it's a very simple game where you just have to time your shots, right, and not let the enemy get you. And it's a high score chaser. And I was ready to just publish the game and move on to the next thing, but it was brought to my attention that I need to improve on the retention rate of the game, right? Because usually people would just play like 1 or 2 rounds and then they'll move on, and that affects the how do I put it? So when players don't spend long enough on the game, the advertisement wouldn't show, and that makes it really bad in terms of monetization. Right. So as a game, I'm pretty satisfied with what I have. Right. I think it's a simple high score chaser. It works. But you know, after talking to the publisher, I feel like perhaps I need to work on the retention, right, so that it can actually at least make a little bit of revenue. So that's what I'm going to work on. My plan is to include a progression bar of sort. That's to say that each enemy I kill will increase the progression meter, which will then at some point unlock a new character, and hopefully that would make the game that would attract the players enough to play the game for longer, right? So that's the plan, and I will be working on the progression bar, right? That's the first thing I'm going to work on. Yep. Another thing to note, the code for this project is in a mess because my intention was to make a really quick project, right? And I didn't really think about the architecture. I did not even organize my assets well. As you can see, they're all just very messy. So it's going to be a little bit of a pain to work with. But yeah, it's a small game, so hopefully I'll be done with it soon. Do a quick test. Okay, we have a progress bar here. I'm going to test it by filling in the colors. We'll see how that goes. Okay, not sure why I'm doing this. Draw self. One moment. Where do I have the border progress? Let's see. Progress bar. Okay. Where's my layers? There we go. Okay. Okay. So I need a rect. I need a rect that starts from here, I think. Let's see. I'll have a make it black. So the plan is for me to, just have like a 1 pixel wide sprite that I will scale to fill the entire bar. We'll see how that goes. Everything is a mess here, by the way. The code is a mess. Let's see. Oh, pretty okay. It's like what 10:45 here, so it's in the evening. I'm having a pretty quiet evening. How about you? How's your day? Let's see, where do I have my... Are you a fellow GameMaker user? wide is this bar? Let's see. So you, what have you tried? Do you write your own engine, or do you use tools like Game Maker or Construct, Unity, right, which is the currently the most popular and game engine, it seems. Oh, 70, okay. Nice, nice. But what do you mean by it doesn't work for you? Excuse me. Ah, I see. Yeah, you can make 3D games. Well, I think making 3D games is very impressive, right? I tend to stick to 2D, uh, and one of the biggest reasons is because the 3D art assets take such a long time to make, right? You have to do modeling, right, in Blender, perhaps. Then you have to do the texturing. You have to rig the 3D models and animate them. It's so time consuming, and given my work schedule, I cannot dedicate myself to a 3D game project. So I think it's very impressive that you make 3D games. I do a few 2D games. Perhaps I can share with you what I have done. Uh, Hang on, I think I recently released uh I recently released a game. Well, not recently, right? I released this game on mobile about 2 plus to 3 years ago, right? Called Serious Scramblers, and then I kept working on it and I ported it to Steam and then eventually to the Nintendo Switch. Uh, yeah, so this is what I've done in Game Maker. So I thought like Game Maker is actually pretty decent for making 2D pixel art games. And this particular game it's uh it's inspired by this old Nokia game called Rapid Roll, right? And really all you do, right, is you just go left and right and drop down onto platforms, right? And I thought like, oh, I want to remake the game in my style, right? So I turned it into this little game where you run around, try to avoid obstacles and try to fight the boss. So yeah, like if you're thinking of like making 2D pixel art games, I feel like Game Maker is quite a suitable engine for that style of game. Yeah. So so Game Maker is pretty nice for that. But of course, I've seen like quite a number of people who did really amazing stuff in Unity 2D, right? And I'm sure they have their own ways of doing that lah. Yeah. If you get too high up, you get impaled by the spikes, and then you die. So the game is pretty much you have to stay in the middle of the screen. Yeah. So I've released that game. Well, last week I released it on the Switch, and since I've been working on that game for so long, I feel like it's time for me to work on a new thing. And this little shooting game that I'm working on is it's a very small game that how do I put it? I need a change of pace, after working on serious scramblers for so long. So I'm working on this small little web game, right, as a way to take a break. Yeah. Do you publish your games anywhere? I would love to follow your work. I enjoy checking out what the other people do for their games. XQ. Yeah, I suppose it's a matter of time. I remember releasing my first game on Newgrounds, right? Yeah, my first game is on Newgrounds. It was in Flash. That was a long time ago. Yeah, that looks super crappy. Yeah, but I guess we all start somewhere, I suppose. You've gone to Newgrounds at the web game portals. Let me try this. Okay, I see a little bit of black here. Nice. Nice. Looking forward to it. And so feel free to, like if you ever post your work online, feel free to share. Uh, I would love to check them out. Hang on, what's the math again? Interact with 70. 70. Right. Right, got it. Just started. Cool. Uh, um, do you do like do you have like a Twitter account? Because when I first started, Right. So when I first started putting out my stuff, right, I realized that if you post your work on Twitter, right, you can get feedback from people, and then people will start following you and giving you feedback. And I thought that was pretty nice. So on Twitter, every Saturday, right, I would post a screenshot or post a GIF of my work, and I will hashtag screenshot Saturday. That seems to work. That seems to work in like getting people to look at your work and giving you feedback. So if I ever put out something that doesn't look quite right, people will comment about my color sense, and then I will just go back and tweak the sprite work and stuff like that. Progress max inner. Okay. Let's put it to 0.5. Ah, I see. How old are you now? 15. Oh, right. One more year to 16. Awesome. Well, it's just one more year. Okay, I'm at half. Okay, good. Wow. Yeah, making games at 15. That's impressive. I didn't even start. I didn't even start until I was like what? Oh, I started when oh yeah, I started studying games when I was 16. Yeah, I'm a lot older now. I'm twice your age. You get out of school when you're 17. Okay. And what's your plan? What's your plan for the future? Do you see game making as a potential career, or is it like a hobby? Let me just change the color. Just to test it out. Okay, ooh, that looks ugly. Oh, that's a solid plan. That's a solid plan. Yeah, it's a bit of a risk to go into games full time. It's a solid plan. Get a job and make games on the side. Is there any game that inspired you to look into making games? Because I've talked to a few people around your age, and it seems like the game that inspired them was like Five Nights at Freddy's and Undertale. Right, these two. It seems to be these two games that inspired the most young developers. Oops, keyboard. A what was the keyboard? Ah, there you go. Oh, it's a YouTuber that inspired you. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Who's the YouTuber? Okay, let's run this. Oh my god, I broke the whole thing. What just happened? Dani, oh. I'll go look that up. Ah, I broke the game. Okay. Why is that? Hmm? What did I do? Ah, okay, I cannot use delta time for some reason. Wait, why? Why can't I use delta time? Ooh, such a mess. Hang on. Hmm? That's weird. DT updater. It should be there. Oh. Okay, that's weird. Oh, I didn't create it. Oops, never mind. Yeah, that's fine. You do you, right? You go online, check out tutorials, then follow the instructions by the YouTubers. Yeah, I think that's a valid way of learning as well. Uh, so I suppose you are studying C sharp at the moment, right? Trying to learn C sharp, since that's the language that Unity uses. Nice. Okay, let's check. Okay, there we go. So I have to clamp it and keep it between 0 and 1. Clamp 0 and 1. There we go. What is the 2D file you use as a floor? What do you mean? Like you mean like a image file, a PNG? Okay, there we go. Two D object. What is the 2D? What 2D object do you use as a floor? You mean? Hang on. I think I will use the text chat. So there's no, so they have to worry about the delay of the stream. 2D object. 2D object. You mean in Unity? Just a moment, yeah. I'm not much of a Unity user. But let me check it out a bit. So I do believe you can import sprites into Unity. Oh, hang on. It's taking a while. Unity is pretty heavy. It always takes a while to boot up. Oh, but in Unity, there are many ways of doing 2D games, right? Like for example, you can use the tile map feature. I think. Whoa, it's lagging. Whoa. This is Unity 2D. How do I use this? I forgot already. Okay, 2D object. Okay, add a sprite. Then for floor you need the. You probably need the. What do we call that? Collider, right? A 2D collider. Probably a box collider, I think. Turn off the gizmo. Where's my box? Wow, that's small. Wow, that's so small. Ah, there we go. There's no sprite, otherwise it would have automatically detected the size. Can I add a sprite? Yeah, there we go, sprite. Well, I suppose ultimately it's just a sprite renderer and a box collider. You can use this, right? But I think perhaps a more efficient way would be to look into this thing called the tile map. I'm not familiar with it. Tile map, where is it? Tile map. Well, I think it's better if you go online, look up some tutorials about how to use a tile map. I think that would serve you well for making 2D games in Unity. Okay, let me turn off Unity. It's a bit laggy. There we go. Okay, let's see. Progress inner rack. Okay, I've done this. Time to put it to work. Progress inner rack. Hey, oops. Progress bar. There we go. Okay. Very, very simple game. Okay, let's see. Progress bar should appear. There we go. Looks a bit weird, eh? I think it's a bit off-centered. Yeah, it's off-centered. Ah, goodness. Off-centered. Is it? Is it off-centered? Yeah, it is. Goodness. Okay. Okay. A little bit stuck. How should I proceed? Progress manager. Milestones. All right. Let me just write comments before I forget what the code are supposed to be for. Milestones for unlocking characters. There we go. Accumulated score is 0. I open up a text file and read the current accumulated score. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is such a mess. Maybe I should organize it. Hang on. Organize the code. Add a group. Let's see. Pool. I don't even remember what some of this function does. Why do I have a make pool? Because of my bullets, is it? Yeah, could be because of my bullets. Okay, spawn bullet. Pokey load bar. Miscellaneous. Oh, so messy. No, wait, this one is here. Okay, better. A little bit better. Okay. What should I do now? Make pool. No, not this. Wow, that's messy. Okay, there we go. Turn this off. Okay, fresh. I don't remember where I wrote my code for killing the enemies. Goodness, let me see. Enemy. How do I kill them? Here? Yeah, seems like it. No, wait, bullet? Oh wait, I don't have to worry about that. Score. How did I do my score? Yeah, I've written this code like a few months ago, so I barely remember what I did. Let's see. It doesn't help that my code is quite messy. What is this? Blah 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 blah. Okay. Pokey happy time. How should I do it? Score. Is this the only instance of score. Yes. Oh yeah, dyslexic. So what are like some of the issues you face? So I have a friend who is a fellow game developer. He also suffers from dyslexia. Uh, but aside from like reading a bit slower, it doesn't really affect him in any other way, I think. Right? Is there like some what have you faced? Right? What's your experience with having dyslexia? Sure. See you later. A little bit stuck on what I'm supposed to do. How should I do this? Add score to accumulated. Wait, hang on. Progress manager. Accumulated score. Okay. Accumulated score. Oh, that's cool. So when you look at code, you somehow understand it better. Oh, that's a good thing. Can use that to your advantage. Add score to accumulated score. Whew, oh boy. Okay. Apply progress. Apply progress. Parameter score. There we go. I think that should be it. Apply progress score. How should I do this? There we go. Progress. Okay, let's go into the progress manager. Do this. Excuse me. Score equals to argument. Oops, can't spell argument. Argument 0. That would be the first argument passed into the function. There we go. So accumulated score plus equals score. Okay. Oh yeah, goodness. I forgot something. Right. Accumulated score to file. Okay, I don't like to work with files because I can never remember how to do them. Okay, so that's it. Apply progress. Just a disclaimer, I'm not the fastest worker. I work very slow. Yeah, I tend to think about things a lot before I write a single line. Okay, apply progress. Apply progress. Okay. I need to. Oops, wrong place. Okay. Progress manager. Oh yeah, yeah. Player. Oh, I'm curious. Do you like do your own artwork? Right. Are you do you see yourself as both a coder and an artist? Ah, I see. Then same as me then. I'm not art trained, so I take a long time to get the art to look decent. The thing is, when we first when we make a game, right, when the game is still in the early stage of development, uh, sometimes we don't really need to spend too much time on the art because we just want a placeholder, right? We just want something temporary so that we can test out the gameplay. uh, for that, right, there is a pretty good website that has a lot of free assets that you can use as placeholder. uh, it's Canny.nl, right? So I highly suggest you check it out uh, because it has an amazing volume of free art assets. Let's take a look at the 2D stuff. Huh? Let's see. 2D. The website changed a bit. It's not how I remember it. Okay, assets. There you go. Let's check out the 2D stuff. It's all here. So you can have stuff like you can have tiles for roads. You can have. Let's take a look at this simplified platformer pack. Check this out. It's like you get all of these art assets, right? And you can make a prototype quickly with all this artwork. So it's something to consider, I suppose. Because sometimes I also use the artwork here as a placeholder, right? Before I switch to my own. Hmm. Score saved. Why do I have a score saved here? Oh, I see. Awesome. I will apply progress here. There we go. Add the score here. Perfect. Apply progress. I'll be honest, making a progress bar is not the most exciting thing to work on. I very much rather prefer to work on the gameplay, you know. Apply progress. Apply progress. What do I do next? Oh right, animate. Ah, goodness. Animate the progress meter. Okay, what should I do? Oh, animate. How do I do that? Let's see. Do I have... Okay, I do not have the twinning library here. So I'll have to twin it myself. Okay. How should I do it? How should I do it? Okay. Grappling hook. That's nice. Sounds interesting already. They're making a physics-based game. Progress. Max inner rack brief. Target progress. There we go. I'm a bit stuck. Milestone. How do I do this? progression. Get next milestone. Kinda like boss, it's in the Play Store. Oh, I'll check it out. Oops. Goodness. Get next milestone. Current. Oh, I guess I don't have to take in any parameter. Let's see. How should I do this? Okay. Forgot how to get the length. Is it array 1? No. Array length. Okay, there we go. Array length 1D. Let's write a for loop. For I equals I lesser than size plus plus I. Okay. Not sure if I'm doing it correctly. Current accumulated score. Score. Aha. If the milestone is more than my current accumulated score, I immediately return the milestone amount. Okay, hang on. I should probably describe what I'm returning here. Return the target accumulated score for the next milestone. There we go. That way I would not forget. Return. There we go. Otherwise I will return. I don't know. Otherwise what do I return? Okay, whatever. It's a huge amount. Is it too big? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's a little big. next milestone. Get next milestone. I need to figure out how to do this part. How do I do that part? Accumulated score. Target progress is between 0 to 1. Oh, goodness. Forgot something. Get last milestone. There we go. And wait. Last milestone. Not a very good name. Let's say previous milestone. There we go. Okay. Previous milestone. Let's think. Okay. Okay, I have to look from the other way. Milestone. Okay. If it is less than. Okay. Okay, I think that looks about right. Get next, get previous, apply progress. I should probably do the accumulation last. 30 cups of coffee, oh my goodness. "30 cups of coffee, it's scary, it's not healthy." Okay, get last, no, previous milestone. Previous, next, get next milestone. Okay, previous next. Now I have both ends. Okay, time to calculate the normalized range. Progress bar, target progress equals to. How do I do the math again? Previous. There we go. Previous. No, wait. No. Previous. Accumulated score minus previous divided by the overall range, which is next minus previous. I hope my math is correct. Yep, that sounds about right. I think this is correct. Now I just have to worry about the animation. I'm just writing stuff without testing it. I hope it works, man. Hope it works. Okay. Let's do the animation. Okay. Animate Progress Bar. What is the frame rate for this game? 60, I think. Is it 60? Yes, 60. 60. Oops. Oh, there we go. 60. Okay, so that's 1 over 60. I guess it's pointless for me to do this. 0.1, I suppose, times no. I guess I will just twin it linearly. And progress target. Wait, where's my progress target? Target progress. Ah, goodness. Target progress. Did I set it correctly? Target progress. And target progress, if it is more than progress, I will just increase it. And it okay, I think I got it. Should do this. There we go. My goodness, will this work? Plus equal 0.1. 0.1 per frame. 0.1 per frame is a lot, yeah? That's too much. Okay. Okay, test it out. What is happening? Cannot redeclare a built-in. Oh, whoopsie daisy. Score num. Okay. Wow, so fast. I didn't even see the animation. Let's slow it down. Wait, hang on. I'm not doing it the smart way. I'm not doing it the smart way. Let me just. That's my room. Room is here. Go back to the test scene. Okay, with the press of a button, I will set the target progress to 0.5. Let's see how that works. What should the button be? Right. Okay. No, wait, hang on. Is it the right event? Key press, yeah, that's the one I want. Equals to 0.5. Okay. Let's check it out. Oh god, it's broken. There's an error with progress.ini. Wonderful. Wonderful. Let me just clean the project. It's broken. What? Could not load. What is this? So weird. Not sure what this is. Just a sec. Well, let's do the old way then. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, let's see. There we go, the progress bar is there. It's a bit slow actually. Okay, I'll make it a little bit faster. Zero point 0.002, 0.01. There we go. Okay, restart. Okay, let's see. There we go. Let's see. Hopefully the accumulated score don't get wiped out. It's weird. It's reanimating. Ah, right. It's because I didn't do the persistent. I didn't do the persistency. Okay, okay, okay. At least there's animation. Give me a second. I'll be back in a moment. Be right back. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, progress plus equal animation speed, blah blah blah. How do I make this persistent? Oh, whoopsie daisy. Whoopsie daisy. There we go. Let's run this. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, let's do this. Oops, I went too far. Let me try again. Okay. Okay, seems to be working. That's good. Oh, but now I have to handle when you actually reach the milestone. Okay, that's troublesome. How do I handle that? Okay, let's see. How should I handle that? How should I handle that? Oh, thanks for hanging out, man. I'll see you around. How should I do this part? What should I do here? Progress more than equals to 1. Actually, this should work, right? Let's try it out. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oops. Let's see. Okay. There we go. There we go. How do I highlight the new milestone? How do I do that? Ah, never mind. Let's do something else. Okay. Sure. Okay. It's a very hastily put together sprite. Let's see. There we go. Don't quite remember how I did this. So there is the ponytail, the tie, the collar. I think that's a collar or scarf. Let's see. So it should be a Z. There we go. To let it come back to me, like where exactly does the shirt end? Where does it start? Let's see. I need to take a look at the animation. Let's see, which one is this? Oh wait, I don't have to worry about the last one. Oh okay, that's good. Oh wait, I don't have to animate the last one. It's not really needed. Let's take a look. Idle. Shooting, okay. Reloading. Dying, okay, awesome. So it's not a very good death animation, but it'll do. It's a small game, right? So I keep it small, okay. I think I'll export this. I shall export this. How did I export it last time? Let's see. Oh, individual frames. Okay. Hang on. Why do I have a flash man? What's that for? Oh, yeah, I need this. Okay, so I need a flash woman as well. Oh wait, I have folders now. Time to create folders. Woman. There we go. Wonderful. Oh my goodness. Man. Add this in. Ah, there we go. Okay, been waiting for the grouping features, grouping feature to come to Pixel Edit for a long time, and now it's here. That's nice. It's nice to be able to group our layers together. Okay, so this one will just be BG. There we go. Woman, man, flash. Okay, there we go. Let's see, how did I make this? 173, got it. Let's see. Does this look about right? Yeah. I don't have to change anything. That's nice. Okay. 173. Yeah, this will do. This will do. This flashing is for the gunshot, yeah? The light from the gunfire. Okay, time to export this. Do, 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 do. Woman. Files, there we go. Yeah, I think I'm almost ready to call it a night. Let me just add the sprite in here. Let me just add a group called characters. Characters. Put it all the way up here. Oops. Here. There you go. Create another group called woman. Make a copy of all of this. Drag it in here. And rename them. 1, 2, 3, 4 frames. Good. So die 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. This is idle. Idle has 3 frames. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. How many frames? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frames for shooting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Perfect. How about reloading? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 frames for reloading. Wait, rename it first. Six frames for reloading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just right. There we go. Okay. Let's take a look. So I have done some basic progress bar. I've done a basic progress bar. Next I will have to, well, for the next session I will have to add something to highlight a new milestone achieved, and have some persistency so that the accumulated score is saved to file. Okay, so this will be the next two things that I have to work on. Let me just save this, take this away. Alright, save it as to do. To do, there we go. It's my to-do list. Of course, after that I have to have a UI for changing characters. Oh my goodness, I hate to work on that. Okay, that's it. Let's play it one last time and see how that goes. Oops. There we go. Okay, let's do it with sound. See how that feels. Okay. Fairly decent progress, I suppose. Could have worked a bit faster, but that's fine. Right, I will call it a night. And I shall stop here. We'll probably stream again pretty soon.